It is super easy to make your own rainbow whipped sugar scrub, and I made this one with only 3 ingredients. Well, 4 if you include the color. Hey Raindrops, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Jamie with the Summer Rain channel, and we dive into how to make candles and skincare and so much more. If you haven't done so already, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Let's go ahead and start with the whipped soap base, which is the backbone of our sugar scrub. You have the option of buying this pre-made, or if you want to make it yourself, I'll go ahead and put the video up here for you. Now, when you take the soap base out of the container, it's going to be quite firm. No worries though, we'll whip this up to be light and fluffy. We're gonna put 289 grams into a bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a good mix. Getting it started might be a little bit challenging, but once you get it mixed up, you'll see that it becomes light and fluffy, just like whipped cream. To enhance the moisturizing properties of our scrub, we'll add 32 grams of apricot kernel oil to the whipped soap base. The oil is gonna leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Once you have the oil added into the whipped soap base, give it a thorough mix to ensure everything is well combined. You'll notice that the whipped soap base is gonna get just a little bit thinner. Now let's add a delightful scent to our whipped sugar scrub. I'm using Nirvana fragrance oil, but feel free to choose any scent that speaks to you. We'll add 19 grams of fragrance oil, and we're gonna give it a really good mix. So what I like to do is I like to start out by mixing by hand to get everything fully mixed in. And then I come in really quick with the hand mixer and just mix it really quick. I do this to ensure that we have a smooth and fluffy consistency. Now it's time to add the star of the scrub, sugar. Sugar acts as the exfoliator in this scrub, gently buffing away dead skin cells to reveal smooth, radiant skin. We are going to add 289 grams of sugar into the mixture. Now this step's going to require a bit more elbow grease. We're going to mix this by hand to fully incorporate the sugar into the whipped base. Once you have it fully mixed, we're going to give it one final mix with the blender just to ensure that everything is fully combined and that it stays light and fluffy. Now for the fun part. We are going to transform our scrub into a vibrant rainbow masterpiece. We are dividing this evenly into 5 separate bowls. Now there's no need for precise measurements. We're simply going to eyeball it and distribute the mixture as evenly as possible. Now it's time to add some color to our rainbow scrub. We're going to start out by adding yellow, blue, green, red, and purple mica powder into each of the bowls. You're going to want to take your time mixing each bowl until the color is fully combined, ensuring we achieve a beautiful and even distribution of color throughout the mixture. And you're going to do this 5 separate times until all of the colors are fully mixed. Now it's time for the fun part. Start by laying a piece of plastic wrap on your countertop. We're going to spread each color of our whipped rainbow sugar scrub in a line on the plastic wrap. Now don't worry about making it perfect. As you can see, with the green, I'm trying to fix it up a bit, but it doesn't really matter. You don't need to worry about your precision. Next, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the yellow and we are gonna plop it right on top of the green. Kind of scooping it seems to work a little bit better. Next, we're gonna put the purple on top of that. And we're gonna go ahead and scoop the red on there. And on the very top, we're gonna go ahead and put our blue. Now we're gonna take one end of the plastic wrap and carefully pull it to touch the other end, creating a log-like shape with our whipped soap base. Now twist both sides to ensure none of our scrub spills out. We're gonna grab a pair of scissors and we're gonna carefully snip one end of the plastic wrap. Very carefully pop this colorful roll right into your piping bag. And now we're gonna go ahead and pipe the whipped rainbow sugar scrub into our containers. creating the most delightful swirls. I like to use a very large piping tip for this part. I feel like you just get a better color mixture than if you use a smaller tip. And as you can see, doing it this way, we get a lovely rainbow swirl in every one of our jars. And there you have it, your very own whipped sugar scrub, made with just a few simple ingredients. I put the full recipe down in the description box below. I also put a link to my blog where I go more in depth about all of the ingredients and substitutions. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.